Welcome to episode 198 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we'll take a look at an evening star trade setup. An evening star trade setup is a bearish reversal pattern, so we're looking for prices to drop from this point. So let's go on to the charts and we'll look at how to identify an evening star trade setup, where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and how to exit the trade with a profit. Here we are looking at an evening star trade setup. This is EuroCAD 1 hour chart. An evening star trade setup is formed with 3 candlesticks. Usually we have a bullish candlestick and an indecision candlestick in the middle, and finally a bearish candlestick. This pattern shows us that price is likely to drop. So in this example here, we see that price has been going down here, it starts to go sideways, and then pulls back into the same resistance area that we have seen here. Once price comes here, we see this evening star trade setup. Once we see the setup, it is time to enter the trade. So we enter the trade short here because we are looking for price to continue down. This is a bearish reversal pattern. We enter the trade short. Our stop can go on the other side of our high here. We just want to make sure there's enough room for the trade to breathe, and we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving lower. Once we get to our next support and resistance area, we see that price tries to break down, pulls back, tries again, pulls back, tries again, and pulls back. So for 3 hours, price has tried to break this low, but it's not able to do so. So this is time for us to exit the trade. So we can either exit while the price is pulling back here, or we can exit at the close of this second indecision candle here, because chances are it's likely to pull back, then move lower. From entry to exit here, we get 191 pips in the trade. So just to recap, an evening star trade setup is formed with 3 candlesticks. And once we see this trade setup, we are looking for price to drop because this is a bearish reversal pattern. We look for a bit of a pullback after this bearish candle here, enter the trade short. Our stop would go on the other side of the high here, just making sure there's enough room for trade to breathe just in case price decides to come and test this level once again. And we stay with the trade as the price is dropping. And once we come into this bottom area, bottom support and resistance area, we see that price is not able to break the low for 3 hours. This is time to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we have 191 pips in the trade. So our profit is 191 pips or $1,910 if trading 1 standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you really enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.